These two ingredients are more powerful than garlic. Goodbye to fat in the body, and goodbye to diabetes in 10 days. Our body is perfectly equipped to keep us healthy and energized. However, many factors can help little by little certain functionalities stop working. That is what happens with many people who stop producing insulin naturally. As a result, we begin to accumulate blood sugar, which becomes diabetes. This disease ends every year with thousands and thousands of lives around the world. Although it is a disease that can be lived, if we are not careful it can kill us. It is for this reason that many people undergo medical treatments in order to control it. Depending on the type of diabetes, many people should use certain pills every day. Others have no choice but to inject insulin daily. The bad thing with these methods is that we ended up enslaved to those medically. Therefore, many people must set aside a lot of money each month to buy them. However, there are natural remedies that are extremely powerful in controlling diabetes. These, besides being very effective, are much cheaper than conventional medicine. In addition, their results are guaranteed, and do not endanger our health. If you want to control your diabetes naturally, look at the remedy you can prepare. In addition, you can also lose weight with this remedy. Ingredients: cinnamon, 2 chips. Cloves, 1 tablespoon. Mineral water, 1.5 liters. Preparation and use: the first thing to do is to heat the water until it starts to boil. At this point, we add cinnamon and cloves. We will let them boil for several minutes. Then we will put out the fire and let the substance cool down. Then we will pack it in a container with lid and we will take it to the refrigerator for 5 days. Exhausted that time, all its nutrients and healing properties will have concentrated. From this syrup we should take at least 1/2 tablespoon 2 times a day every day. This remedy will serve both diabetics and pre-diabetics. It will lower blood sugar